Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I've got a mind-blowing fact for you today. Did you know that over 2 billion people shop online worldwide? Yes, you heard that right. The online business world is massive and full of opportunities just waiting to be explored. In this video, we're diving into the ultimate business plan to make money online by exploring a variety of lucrative business ideas. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, there's something here for everyone looking to thrive in the digital marketplace. So let's get into it. First things first, let's address the elephant in the room. The challenges faced by many aspiring online entrepreneurs. There's fierce competition, rapidly changing market trends, and the struggle to stand out and make a mark. But fear not, because we've got some solutions up our sleeves. Now let's delve into some detailed business ideas that have the potential to skyrocket your success online. Think about e-commerce. It's a fantastic way to sell products directly to consumers. You can start with a niche product, build a brand, and grow from there. Then there's affiliate marketing, where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. It's a great way to generate passive income with minimal upfront investment. Another avenue to explore is creating and selling online courses. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can share your knowledge with others and monetize your skills. Online courses are in high demand, and platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to get started. Plus, once your course is up and running, it can continue to generate income over time with little ongoing effort. Here's the key insight you need to remember. Success in the online business world requires dedication, innovation, and the ability to constantly adapt to market demands. It's not just about having a great idea, but also about executing it with precision and staying ahead of the curve. Keep an eye on industry trends, listen to your audience, and be willing to pivot when necessary. To wrap things up, remember that having a well-thought-out business plan is crucial for navigating the online business landscape. By leveraging the power of online platforms, you have the potential to achieve financial success beyond your wildest dreams. So, get ready to roll up your sleeves and make your mark in the digital world. If you found these business ideas intriguing, make sure to explore more on our channel. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going and help each other thrive in the online business arena. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay inspired and keep hustling. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. See you soon!